The following contest is a special referee match and is for the Internet's Wrestling Championship.
All right, now here's a man we can trust as a referee.
I think you'll do us all proud.
Now this is a guy who won't get pushed around, won't get intimidated, and he won't be entertaining either.
You know, I saw this guy studying the WWE rulebook earlier tonight. What a dork.
Yeah, he was reading Saxton's copy. It was? He didn't even ask. Hey, maybe this guy isn't trustworthy after all. With him in the ring, we know there won't be any tricks or underhanded tactics allowed.
Wait, so none of the fun stuff? Great.
All right, I love this guy. This is it, guys. The title is up for grabs here. And this might be the most highly anticipated title defense in recent memory.
이 세상이 참 팍팍해 가끔은 뭔가 막막해 내일 뭐 먹지 같은 고민만 가지고픈데 쉽지 않아 슬플 때도 있겠지 뭐 그런 날도 있겠지 오늘의 나도 오늘 이 모습도 괜찮다면서 안 괜찮아 뭐 그냥 그런 나대로 oh yeah. 살아도 괜찮잖아 발 닦고 잠이나 푹 잘난다 난 그냥 살아 아주 잘 살아 난 그냥 살아 아주 그냥 잘 살아 넌 내가 참 좋아 고민은 태양 속에 날려버려 굿바이 난 그냥 살아 별로 못 살아 난 그냥 살아 사실 별로 못 살아 뭐 근데 어떡해
For tonight.
다 그냥 그런데 산다는 게 그렇지 고민은 저 뜨거운 태양 속에 날려버려 나는 뭔가 달라서 평범한 건 별로라서 대단한 녀석
And here he comes.
Remember, guys, the title is on the line here in this one. And I don't remember the last time the champ was in this much jeopardy, Cole. Tonight might just be the night the title changes hands.
So baby fly 이렇게 광활한 세상을 너의 두 눈으로 가득 담아 새겨봐 너는 나 우리 다시 만나게 되면 그때는 이제 네가 나의 우주니 네가 새겨놓은 반짝이 긴 시간 달려왔던 나를 위한 휴식처가 되줄 테니까 우리들만 거기 있을 테니까
The champ facing perhaps his biggest challenge yet. Now, can he rise to meet the challenge?
네 눈 속에 내가
Introducing the challenger from South Korea, weighing in at 275 pounds, Clown RG. And his opponent from South Korea, weighing in at 220 pounds, the Internet's wrestling champion, Holland Maniac!
The past doesn't matter. Here's where it counts. Here is where it's settled. The prize is on the line.
And there's an argument to be made that defending the title is even harder than winning it, wouldn't you say? Absolutely. You've got cover.
We're going to shut this down.
And kicks out right after two.
And that is how the count should be. This ref is taking the job seriously.
Kept things above board there. Nothing exciting, just fair. All the way down with an atomic drop.
Oh, look at this. Just cranking the head. That's got to hurt.
Boom!
And he's only got one thing on his mind right about now.
Basement drop kick. Caught by the Pele. Ooh.
Vicious. Just
Quick pin. Championship on the line. The challenger's shoulder up after one.
our guest referee with a textbook count.
Our official kept a fair count there, really earning his stripes.
Launched right out of the ring. Looking to go up high.
Taking flight.
Whoa, what a landing! From all the way up. Wasted no time flying out to the floor. A third! Just never had a chance to block any of those.
And a boot in the face. This is going to be nasty. Kick right to the gut.
Punishing boot.
And now he sees control for the moment.
He is absolutely determined right now.
Sliding back into the ring. Heading out, but needs to be aware of the referee's count.
He saw that one coming.
What a boot. Oh, right to the chest. Oh, what a club.
Atomic drop. Oof.
The champion looking slightly rocked now.
Leaning on the turnbuckle here.
A back elbow.
Back elbow. What a corkscrew shoulder tackle.
Oh, what's coming here? Submission move being applied.
Putting the... Trying to keep the hold on, but no. Couldn't keep it locked in any longer.
Oh. Vicious, downright savage club right there. Oh, afterglow combo.
An endless bombardment from the champion. The challenger has to be rocked.
Looking to seal the deal, guys.
The champ just beats the 3 count.
And that was an honest count. No one can argue that.
You can't say our ref messed around with his cadence during that pin.
Oh, he had that scouted.
Lifted way high to the heavens. Driven down powerbomb.
this, deadlifting their opponent.
Slam. That is how a true champion defends their title.
The champion thought that was it. Just barely able to kick out. I thought the champ had it in the bag.
This is how much the championship means. You can see the sweat drip out of the challengers every pore.
From the top rope. Beautiful drop kick.
There's the pin for the championship. Yeah, no, he doesn't get the 3.
And the referee counted that right. I don't think that can be disputed.
The referee showing zero favoritism at that moment.
Strikes with another punch.
Oh, and he's being totally cut off here.
He's got to do something, anything to get back in this fight.
What a reversal.
He's finally able to slow down all those incoming attacks.
He is absolutely back in this fight. Denied via a whip. Inside cradle applied, shoulders down.
Got it. No, just a 2.
Disgraceful count. Can we get a real ref out here?
Yeah, not so sure that count was completely by the book.
Right to the back of the neck, that had to hurt.
Only running on instinct to keep fighting. Completely lost otherwise.
Takedown, skull first.
The champ really feeling the effects of this match now.
Oh, hold on. Is he thinking of a submission here? A stump puller. Able to free himself from the agonizing submission.
Takedown, and now punches right.
Oh my goodness.
Just strike it at will. Oh, man, drop kick.
He is getting rid of the turnbuckle pad. Don't say that too loud, Saxon. You might get caught. Measured kick.
Shoulders are down to retain. Kick out and the title fight continues.
And give it to the referee. That was a standard pin count for sure.
You can't accuse our guest referee of going into business for himself after that fair count.
Delivers the knee.
Oh, come on. Just take it back in the ring. Pretty please.
Say a little louder, Saxton. I don't think they heard you.
From the top.
Whoa, look out.
Coming down on their opponent like a sack of bricks.
This is turning into an all-out battle. No holding back.
We could be here all night with the rate things are going.
Crushing the hamstring. Crush the hamstring. He's really pushing the limit here, getting close to a count out.
He's looking to make a moment here.
Back in the nick of time.
Oh, the physicality on display there. Unbelievable.
Good God. I know what's next.
Devastating maneuver by the champion.
There's 2. No way. No way.
And look at the disbelief on the face of the champion.
They both know what's at stake. Neither competitor is going to lose easy here. Looks like our guest official's sleeping on the job.
The champ with the cover. Kicks out. He still has life.
His slow counting is disgusting.
I appreciate needing to ensure proper pinning conditions, but let's actually count the pin. The superstar can change their stripes, but
Hold on, what's the official doing?
Into the powerbomb.
Was that an accident? Why would our official even do that? That wasn't 3. It was a fast count. Whatever that was. Here's the winner. And now, Internet Wrestling Champion, and he's walking out of here. The new champ.
Yeah, and I don't think anyone was surprised by the officials, shall we say, expedited pin count.
평범한 건 별로라